Well, we've made it to the last week of material. And to help facilitate next week, the final comes very quickly. It's just a half week. And so it can feel really rapid. I want to give you plenty of time this week to study for your final. So this is a lighter week. There's not a ton on the lecture and coursework. There's one video to watch. And then that video is talking about the wheel of trust. And then there's an opportunity for us to practice that. And so you have all individually had your own virtual projects that you turned in. And everyone had different experiences. I've started to read through some of the papers. Everyone kind of approached the project differently. And so this is an opportunity for you to write a discussion post that reflects on your time. Make it a little bit more kind than necessarily your paper was, a little more gracious. Really weigh your words well. It's an opportunity here for your words to be extra edifying, to build trust. Write this in a way that you would imagine your team members, your family and friends that were a part of your team, imagine they were reading this. And make sure that any criticism that you're giving is constructive, that it's sandwiched with praise. If there was a social loafer, let them know what happened for the group by that behavior, and why you so value their input that you will hope in the future that they pull their weight better. So this is an opportunity for you to write a 400-word discussion post about your experience in the project. And then as you read what your classmates have written, you'll have opportunities to see where people had similar experiences to you, where you could say, yes, that frustrated me as well. Or, hey, I didn't have that frustration. Here's how I overcame that. And then you'll see where people did really well. And you'll say, I wish that I had done that. That would have been really helpful for my group. So it's an opportunity to draw from your classmates things that they did well, things that they maybe did poorly, both provide encouragement and to be receiving some exhortation yourself. So that's the goal for this week as we get into our week 7 discussion post. And I'll look forward to reading everybody's post. Use time to prepare for the final this week. And also, if you have any missing assignments, people have done wonderful this summer term getting everything in. But if there's anything missing, now's the time to really get it in. So I've sent you instructions along the way of what it would look like if you have missed a discussion post or a paper, and kind of giving you a framework of what the maximum grade would be if you were to expand that or turn that in late. And so if you need clarity, please reach out. But if you just need to get it done, now's the week to do it. Grades will be due Thursday of next week, so it's going to be time and a time crunch to get everything in. So if you wait until after the final to try to make up any missing assignments, it'll probably be too late. Now's the time to do it. So I hope everybody makes it a great week. Reflect well. Continue to be great classmates to one another, and let's finish strong. Bye, y'all.